You should know that 1 divided by cosine x is secant x, and you should have its derivative memorized. But if you don't know it yet, we can figure it out using the quotient rule, because we have 1 divided by cosine x. So to differentiate this, we'll use the quotient rule. We could also do this using the chain rule, but in this video, we'll opt for the more basic rule, the quotient rule, which I've written here for your reference. The derivative of f divided by g is f prime g minus g prime f all over g squared. In this case, our f, the numerator function, is 1, and our g, the denominator function, is cosine x. So, applying the rule, we begin with f prime g in the numerator. F is 1, so f prime is 0, and then we multiply that by g, which is cosine x. We then have to subtract g prime f. G is cosine x, so g prime is negative sine x. We then multiply that by f, which of course is just 1. And don't forget, this whole thing, g prime f, is being subtracted. And then in the denominator, we have g squared. G is cosine, so g squared is cosine squared x. Then in the numerator, we have 0 plus, because minus minus, that's plus sine x. So this is sine x divided by cosine squared x. In the denominator, we have 2 factors of cosine, since it's cosine squared. So we can take 1 out as 1 over cosine x, and that just leaves sine x over cosine x remaining. Taking that single factor of cosine x out and writing it separately lets us rewrite this whole thing using some basic trig identities. 1 over cosine x is by definition secant x, and sine x over cosine x, hopefully you recall, is tangent x, and so that's our derivative.